Hello there. How are you doing?
Good.
What's your name?
Madison.
Madison.
Yeah.
Is this your dad?
Yep, he's Chris Horn.
Hi, Chris. It's nice to meet you.
Welcome.
Well, thank you.
My name is Chris Horn. I'm a blended case manager for Lehigh County. I've been a proud SEIU member for 16 years. And today, State Representative Scott Conklin walked the day in my shoes.
So what are we up to today?
Breakfast right now.
Breakfast right now, and we have some meetings to go to.
What time do you play today?
We have a treatment team meeting at one of the providers for one of my consumers. We'll be taking, actually have to take him there, and we'll be reviewing. He came out of a partial program, and we're going to be reviewing ongoing plans for him. Then following that, I have another consumer that we're going to go and pick up, and we have to take him up to get him registered with a new primary care physician for some medical treatment.
My name is Bill Bacon. I do the legislative and political work for SEIU Local 668. And here in Lehigh County, Representative Scott Conklin spent a day with one of our heroes, Chris Horn. Chris Horn has spent the last 20 years working in mental health services. He does a very difficult job, a job that many people, unless they did it with him, know nothing about. And because of the confidentiality involved in mental health case management to protect those consumers, we didn't film those consumers and Mr. Horn doing his work.
My name's Scott Conklin. I'm a state representative in the 77th District, which takes in State College, Pennsylvania, Penn State University to the little town of Phillipsburg in Center County. And today I had the honor to walk in Chris's shoes. It was probably one of the most fulfilling days I've ever had the opportunity to do.
One of the more interesting benefits of the Walk a Day program is that lawmakers who participate help dispel the myth and the notion that public employees are somehow underworked and overpaid. Nothing could be further from the truth.
I think what I found most surprising about Chris's job is how hard he works and how much he loves his job, and most of all, how much the consumer loves Chris.
Oh, there he is.
Is he waiting on the
He's waiting for me.
He's waiting for us.
He's waiting for me.
It's nonstop for him. He leaves first thing in the morning. He sees these individuals. He takes care of their problems all day long.
You didn't eat much today. Oh, yesterday.
You did all day?
I think his problem is his meat. And I think what's most important is how much money they save. The second individual we picked up today, most counties, I think they would be in a nursing home.
If I wasn't involved with him, I can't imagine him not being hospitalized, and so I can't imagine.
So for the few dollars we pay Chris to go out, or another individual to go out and oversee them, it saves the state literally tens of millions of dollars a year.
The impact of a lack of funding to myself and other SEIU members would have a detrimental effect on the community. The people that I service and that I go out and I see and I keep functioning on a day-to-day basis, they would find themselves in other systems. They would find themselves in the legal system, they would find themselves in hospital emergency rooms, they would find themselves in the form of a crisis situation. The second individual that State Representative Conklin was able to meet is a person that maintains in the community that many people would want to put him in a very costly assisted living program. However, in keeping him out in the community and being able to be his own person and be somewhat independent, that is very cost effective.
It was a very impressive day. And what was most impressive about it is that it just wasn't going through the motions. It was somebody that actually really cared about that individual. Someone that doesn't make a lot of money, someone that has a family of their own, but is willing to take these individuals on, gives out their cell numbers, makes sure that they get to their doctor's appointment. And these individuals are always to be commended, not only for what they do for us, but for what they do for the consumer and the families of the consumers.
When I go out there, I make a difference for people that need it so badly. And so many of those people don't have someone there to make that difference for them. Knowing that I'm a part of that that's what keeps me going every day.